చేసుకుంటున్నాము. సో ఆహాలో రిలీజ్ అయిన ఈ రెండు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ని మనం ఇవాళ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము ఆ సక్సెస్ సంబరాలు. సో రిక్వెస్టింగ్ అజిత్ గారు టు స్పీక్.
Thank you so much. 2 minutes. We love you too. I want to say darling today, SK and darling. We'll start with you. Thank you so much. You're one of the most passionate people in the industry that I've seen. And today I wanted to start with you. And of course we'll end with you know who. By the way, Maruti Garu and Maggie, after the AV, I think it's time to do the next season as 3 Roses and S and cast him. And we'll get you a 4th vanity, don't worry. To all the friends from media, thanks a lot. You turn up every week to support AHA and it's been great. Today I was at Annapurna doing shooting with Balakrishna sir, and then I'm here with Maruti and everybody. So thank you so much for helping us out through COVID. And SKN, the reason I say you're one of the most passionate people I've met in this city is you had to deal with COVID, you had to deal with the rain, storm, all of it. And still, all of you, the team delivered 3 Roses on the day of Diwali, so which was great. So thank you so much. We'll always be indebted for this. I think, in fact, the team came to me, said, Ajit, 3 Roses is doing well. We should do a success party. And then we said, we're also launching Manchu Rojulu. And we were thinking, okay, how do we mix the two? And that's when I was telling Raj and the marketing team, listen, we've never celebrated the mass entertainer that Maruti is. And it's time for us to celebrate Mr. Mass Entertainer. And I will tell you who was the one who first told me about mass entertainer as the word. But first about the 2 things. 3 Roses is our biggest show on AHA by far. And in terms of all engagement numbers, it's doing really well. So to the entire cast and crew, Maggie and Ravi, starting with you. Yes, it was the fastest approval we've got from Allu Arvind sir and Vasu, Shri and team. And to the 3 Roses, Payal was on the platform before, so it was good to welcome her back. Purna, thank you so much for all the travel you did. And after that, I've told Nikhil to do deals with all 5-star hotels in the city. So I never get that call again. And I had met Isha a few years back when she was just starting out. And one of the directors at that Saima event introduced Isha as one of those up-and-coming people. What a journey it has been. Fantastic, and so happy to have you on the platform. Thank you so much. And to the film, I mean, for people to, if somebody starts their career with Maruti and the next is Nandini Reddy, you must be super, super blessed and super, super talented. Santosh, for all the kind words, but more than that, what a super start to your career. It's great. I have always said that at the, Beauty and the Baker press meet also, that this is the beginning of a big, long run for you. And AHA and all of us will be rooting for you. Every single film on the way. To all the cast and crew of both the shows, thank you so much. It was great. I ended up on a few days on 3 Roses set. That set was always fun. And now I realize that between Maggie and SKN and Ravi, it's always going to be fun. So we should do season 2. Next year, we need 2 things from Maruti. So hopefully season 2 of 3 Roses is one of them. The other one, we'll figure it out. Coming to why today's event, so I got to know of Maruti Garu long before I came to AHA. We were trying to find in Bombay, I was at Eros, which is a good film to remake from Telugu. And I don't know if you remember that, we were talking about Prem Katha Chitram then, and I still want to remake and do a sequel to that on AHA. So from that time, I had heard about you. And, about 6 months into AHA's launch, I was telling Arvind sir that, when will we get Maruti? He's your close friend and we're not doing anything. He's saying, you're not ready yet, wait. And then 6 months after AHA launch, I think we launched in February, we were talking sometime last September, about a little over a year. And Arvind sir is saying, so what's the reach? I said, sir, now we are 30 million and we no more an OTT platform which is just catering to a few, houses in Hyderabad. We are now, our reach is from, Vijayanagaram to Anantapur. And he said, now you're ready for Maruti because he is the mass entertainer that, in this city. And it was Arvind sir who told me about you being a mass entertainer for the first time. And coming from Arvind sir, it means a lot. And so I have remembered that word mass entertainer till last week when Raj was saying, how do we do this event? I said, let's celebrate the mass entertainer. You're an absolutely fabulous entertainer. But more importantly, I think you're a great human being. Every time we have stress and I call you saying, Ajit sir, just chill, we'll sort it. And those green teas in your office, I love your office vibe by the way. It's great fun. And I wanted to end with that because I don't speak Telugu, but I do follow all the cinema. From Ee Rojulu to Manchi Rojulu, what a journey. Your time is now. Your time is now, Maruti sir. Over to you. Let's all celebrate the one guy who's so simple, who sometimes is underrated, and when you meet him, he seems like just the brother next door. But when you put your vision on screen, it's on fire. So to you, Maruti, today is to you. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అజిత్ గారు. ఇది ఎవరు మనం గమనించలేదే, ఈ రోజులు టు మంచి రోజులు. వండర్ఫుల్ దిస్ ఇస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.